So hello everyone, in this lecture we'll be learning about routing. So what is basically routing? Routing we will be using in websites where like we will having multiple pages. So to go to one to another pages, to two to three to four, to navigate to another pages, we use routing. It's fundamentally used in single page applications. And moving on with that, so we can map with the URL mapping, or user experience should be like good enough to like smooth transition between the pages. And routing makes easy in single page application, which will be like we have done in previous projects also, like in React usually single page applications are done. And mostly it will be flexible, efficiency and community support. Like React router is used well in the routing part. And flexibility, if we say that React router down is like is a user friendly, and it's like what we say, the functionals are already present. We have to just keep the path and give the component name. Simple, just install the React router DOM with npm and just import and configure. That's what the functions are now already have been set in the backend in the module, so we don't have to do anything, like just install and implement it. So for that we are using browser route or switch. These three main things are being used for the routing part. Mostly we use browser route, which I will show you in the code also. So in the part of triggering the link, like when we press on the button or press on the link tags, we should navigate to the path. We have to assign the path to the links. So here in the React we use link tag or a nav link or any other anchor tags also we can use there. And also like 404 and redirects also used, like the page is not found, it should be redirected to the page 404. And also another page redirected to, if the user is not logged in, it then redirected to the login page or error handling. So wrap up on best practice. So more you practice, the more you learn the simple rule of coding. So this is the code we used like last time. So for using the browser route, we have to install React router DOM, so which I have already installed from browser router. We will implement the router, and inside that routes are used, and link tag will be used for routing it. So link tag is here, just so you can see the path is slash. So if whenever we press on home page, we'll go to the slash page, like what we say, the home page. And if you press on the about page, we'll go to the about page. So about page is here. So if you go to the about page path, if you go to the path about, then you will render the about component. This is the about page. Here are some functions which we wrote earlier, and component.jsx. I think we have also given the component.js path also, like we also have to pass a prop here, like message prop, and also pass hello world, welcome to Monstack playlist, which I just shared earlier also. If you run it, npm start. So here is the React part. We have the nav link, home, about page, like we have the post here, and component page, which we have some functions running in a component page and about page. I think in about page we have some API calls also, which I showed in other lectures. So this is how the routing does works in React. It's simple and not very complex to memorize it. We use the nav under that. It's just a navigation bar, like a nav bar. Under that we have link tags. You can keep it as li tags also, no much issue. And make sure it's under routes, under the router, then under routes we assign the path, the route component. If we just go in the browser route, we'll get tons of function which you won't understand. You don't have to understand these all things, just have to hide those things. And also in routes and all much more, don't have to wait for it or learn it. Just a simple function is already done for you. You have to just have to memorize that you have to keep in the routes, and so that you won't make mistakes. So that's all for basics of routing in React. Thank you for watching.